The latest operating system update in Oculus Quest 1 has now made it very easy for you to operate or move around your application in Oculus Quest 1 without using the hand controllers. Now, moving around in Oculus Quest 1 without the hand controllers has been there, but now is now smoother. Okay, I'm going to show you some examples in this video, and we're going to dive right in. Let me just use one or two applications, and let's see how it feels for you to use application without the hand controllers. Although using hand controllers is much more perfect because this is built for the headset, but the headset has cameras that can track the movement of your hands, and if you're in a very clear and bright place where the headset can be able to see your hand, you can be able to track every movement of your hands. So now it feels so easy for you to use your bare hands to control your Oculus Quest application and to do some few things in your Oculus Quest environment. Now, for you to click, you guys can see that I have a little mouse in my hand inside the VR. Now, for you to click anything, you have to position it there and tap your two fingers. Okay, tap it. Once you tap it, it opens here, and you can as well use this to drag the application up. Okay, and check for any kind of application that you want to use in your VR. Okay, I've already clicked on this application, but I'm going to close it. Tap here and it closes. Come over here, tap here, and it opens. But what I don't know is, can you be able to use your bare hands like this to control some games? So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to try and play this career aircraft. I like this career aircraft. Is you're acting like a military pilot that is bombing different ships that you see on the sea and some other environments. Okay, so for those of you that don't know about this career aircraft, is a free Oculus Quest game, but you get it in what is it called? You get it in Side Quest. All right. So if you need it, you have to go to Side Quest, and it's available in Side Quest. We're going to play it now. Let me know if actually, because this one you have to pull your movement and take off from a ship and start controlling the movement of the aircraft with your hands and start shooting. So let's see if it's possible for me to play this game without these two controllers just right here. Okay, let's start the game anyway. Now, for those of you that will watch, now for those of you that would like to know, now for those of you that would like to see if this game, now this game has opened. I'm going to click on start. Game is loading.
Enemy warships are fleeing. Find and clear all of them.
You guys can see I'm inside.
Press the grip button to hold the rotation stick, or the throttle by hand.
This is my left wing, and this is my right wing, and this one is my controller. You can see if I turn this right, it goes right. If I turn it left, it goes left. So I'm going to put it straight because I'm going to be taking off on this line. Okay. Once I take off, if I want to pull it up, I will pull it back. Once I pull it back, the aircraft will now start going up. Now, if I push it front, you start moving down and all that. If I want to shoot, I have to shoot with this. You guys can see. But on my hand controllers, joystick, I have to press the shooting button, but here I have to be pressing here. If I'm pressing here, the bullet will be moving. Now, if I want to take off, what I need to do is hold this button and push it front. Now hold this and take it back. Now you see.
Press the front trigger to shoot.
I've
Hold
taken
down
off.
A button to reset the pitch. X button to reset the roll.
So here is the water. So let me point. Oh, it's not easy. It's not just easy. It's raining. So I'm going to be shooting this ship. At the same time you're shooting, you definitely have to be dodging. It's not easy. Oh, see that bullet? Jesus. It's not easy. Let me see. Oh, I've been hit. So I'm going to sink now. I'll fall inside the water. You guys can see that I'm right now under the water. So I'm going to restart this game again. And I'm going to play it with my hand controllers. It's easier, you know, to play it with your hand controllers than playing it with your bare hands. So let me start. Okay.
Enemy warships are fleeing.
So
Find and clear all of them.
load this, push it front. Load
Press
this,
the grip button to hold the rotation stick, or the
Put it
throttle
back.
by hand.
Okay. I want to go
Press
too
the
high.
front trigger to shoot. Hold down A button to reset the pitch. X button to reset the
Okay,
roll.
this is the first one. I'm going to be shooting down this. See? See, I'll shut down this. So let me look for the next target. If you don't take time, you might even say, okay, this is the next target. You can see there's yellow on it. If you look your left, you see your wing. If you look your right, you see your wing. If you look your left side, make sure you don't go too down so that your aircraft will not sink. And make sure you're dodging all these things. You can see the bullets that are coming. You guys have seen, can see that I've shot this one down. Can now destroy it completely. So let me look for another target. Let's still go up. I see another target down there. Target is somewhere front. So I have to, while I'm moving, I have to position my, if I start shooting from here, I will not be able to get it because it's still very far. I have to get close. Still watch their own bullets. Okay, it's saying here, whenever you're playing, make sure you watch your screen. It's saying you've passed this stage, press Y to return, alright? So you have to press Y to return. Now, go to the next stage, which is stage 2, start. On this stage 2, you have to bump in, no more shift.
Raid enemy base.
Now,
Wipe out all enemy objects.
let's take off. Take this back, let me take off. This is where I'm going to be fighting. Yeah, now. Use this kind of place, you have to be very careful because bullets will be coming from different places. You see? You have to take off and run. And go back. You can go up, and start coming from back. After some few seconds, you have to go up. Now start coming from the back so that you will shoot down so many things. This feels real anyway. Oh. Now I'm coming from the front. You have to be very careful as well because they are still shooting you. You have to still run and go front and still come from another angle. This one is a crazy game. After going see, they are still shooting me. So I can now return. See? You can see. You have to be very careful so that you don't fall. Now from here, start shooting. Wow, I'm crashed. I finally crashed myself. So guys, this game is quite very interesting and it's free. And if you like to game over your aircraft crashed, press Y to come back. So there's stage 1, stage 2. As you're going, more stages are opening and all that. Okay, start submarine. This one is another one. Area combat. So this is a very interesting game and it's free from the side quest software. You can download it and then play it in your VR headset. So guys, this is what I just decided to share with you guys. You guys know that during the weekends I always come up with new games and app in the virtual reality space. So for those of you that are watching my video for the first time, my name is Aswike Kinsley, and on this channel I give you tips and solutions on how to make money online and other relevant tips that helps in our daily online space. But during the weekend, I make sure I give you updates on new games and app in the virtual reality space. So if you wouldn't want to miss any of my videos, please make sure you hit the subscription button and turn on the notification button so that you'll be the first to know once I upload a new video. I will see you guys in my next video. Like always, you guys should stay creative and remain blessed.